What is CRO? While most crypto investors and enthusiasts might be familiar with Crypto.com, some of them only might be aware of CRO. The crypto world is rapidly evolving and there are new innovations every day. With its own blockchain and native cryptocurrency token, Crypto.com aims to transform the way trading and finance work. What is CRO? Heard of Cronos blockchain? It is the open-source, decentralized blockchain developed by Crypto.com to make payments faster and more secure. CRO is the native cryptocurrency of the Cronos blockchain, from Crypto.com. Originally developed as an ERC-20 standard by Ethereum, the crypto was later migrated to Crypto.com when it launched its own Cronos blockchain. Its primary objective is to enable people to pay for their real-life requirements in crypto by converting the crypto into fiat currency in real time. Thus, it acts as an intermediary currency, allowing the easy conversion of cryptocurrency into fiat currency. Besides, scalability is a major concern in the smooth functioning of blockchains. It refers to the ability of blockchain to cope up with a large influx of transactions occurring simultaneously. It addresses this challenge by offering immediate payment confirmations, regardless of the excess amount of transactions. Brief history. Founded in 2016, Crypto.com is a Hong Kong-based project that focuses on innovations in the blockchain arena. It was originally known as Monaco Technologies GM, founded by Chris Marzalek, Raphael Mello, Gary Or, and Bobby Bao. Crypto.com's blockchain, Cronos, caters to several blockchain use cases through its native token, CRO. Today, the company serves over 90 countries and 10 million users, including investors, customers, and merchants. What are its benefits? Besides acting as a medium for enabling crypto payments in real time, the CRO token offers several benefits. Some of these are: instant transactions with lower fees. It aims to enhance the scalability of solutions by increasing the speed of performance with an increase in transaction workloads. At its highest level, Cronos Chain plans to run 50,000 transactions per second, which is much higher than what Bitcoin does. Increased support for merchants. The Cronos developers team intends to make the CRO blockchain integration easier for merchants. In this regard, they have come up with a software development kit to aid the merchants in integrating the CRO blockchain solutions without the need for much technical knowledge. Use of decentralized finance, DeFi. It adopts the DeFi technology and uses a large network of computers to verify the transactions. As a result, it avoids payment failures and increases security, thereby making it less vulnerable to hacks and thefts. What are its uses? CRO, Crypto.com, solves most of the problems faced by other blockchain networks and serves multiple use cases. It serves the primary purpose of helping people pay in cryptos by converting it into fiat currency. It allows Crypto.com investors to earn rewards by acting as validators for CRO transactions on the Cronos chain. It offers benefits to users within the Crypto.com payment app, including up to 20% cashback on CRO payments and up to 10% by purchasing gift cards. Participants on Crypto.com. The various users participating in the Cronos blockchain comprise the following. Customers. As Cronos blockchain is decentralized and keeps transactions anonymous, the customers on the chain make payments via the network using cryptocurrencies. Merchants. Merchants on the Cronos chain accept payments from customers in exchange for the goods and services they offer. These payments could be accepted in cryptos or fiat currency. Crypto customer acquirers. This section of users manages the payments on the network and helps in facilitating the customer processes. To operate as an acquirer, the user must have some amount of CRO as collateral. Merchant acquirers. Merchant acquirers facilitate the transactions and manage the payments on the network from a merchant's end. These users must also have CRO as collateral. Closing thoughts. Primarily started as a means to convert crypto to fiat currency in real time, this token plays a key role in improving the scalability and speed of crypto transactions. CRO is a highly powerful innovation from Crypto.com, which could completely revolutionize the world of blockchain-based cryptocurrency.